Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at cryptos today. We haven't really reported on them since the collapse that we've seen on Bitcoin especially. If we go all the way back to the back end of last year where we're hitting these massive highs towards 126,000, trading now hitting at 60,000. We're just waiting to see if we've found some slight support and if we're going to start moving that much higher as well. Intraday charts show that it's stuck in a bit of a consolidation at the moment. But after bouncing away from 60,000, which is a massive psychological area, we're now finding that price action could actually start being more bullish than bearish. But we're just waiting to get out of this choppy consolidation zone because it's just kind of sticking around at the moment. And possibly it could be here to stay for a little bit longer until we get a firm direction. The RSI is stuck in a neutral zone as well. So we're just basically looking at all the fundamentals, the key drivers of Bitcoin. Obviously, it has been moving a little bit in tandem with gold in the last few trading sessions, and it depends if traders are looking to buy back into Bitcoin or crypto in general, or is this the massive correction that we are finally seeing? You know, as I said, on the daily chart, we're just seeing now prices fall from grace dramatically, and it's this concern here that we're most looking at, because when we were in this last consolidation period, roughly around the mid-80,000 area, we crashed and broke right through that, and that was a massive confirmation that more sellers were attracting more sellers, and this is something that could be here to stay as well in the near term. It's looking likely that prices are more bearish now than bullish, and it could actually continue the rhetoric if trend followers do start entering the market. The only saving grace of Bitcoin on the daily chart, like we said, is the fact that we had this counteracting bullish candlestick that came after this bearish one. So after dropping roughly about $10,000 in value, it jumped about $7,000 to $8,000 to erase most of its losses. But since then, stuck in a firm consolidation and just waiting to break out. So quite a lot to digest for Bitcoin if you are trading crypto, because obviously it's the one that's has given us the most gains in the last few years. And this is something that's looking likely to continue further as well. So we'll keep an eye on it for you. If you are trading it, let me know. Comment on our YouTube and Telegram channel to let us know what you are trading on, and we can potentially find a solution to see what's going to happen in the near future as well. Same story with Ethereum as well. You know, stuck in a hefty consolidation at the moment after a massive downturn, and again we're just seeing prices fall from that spectacular record high that we saw at the back end of last year, trading in the fourth quarter where we got above, well, close to 5,000. Then, as I said, just got some firm resistance there before falling lower and lower. Stuck in this consolidation, a little bit like Bitcoin, where price action was really, really sideways until finally it broke lower. And now we are looking likely that another 1,000 points was shaved off. Sorry, $1,000 was shaved off before moving a little bit higher. But stuck in consolidation again, so waiting for the next signal. RSI is a little bit lower now, so we were expecting a bit of a bounce, more of a bounce than we have seen. So it could still be on the cards that we could see more of a lift on Bitcoin, but staying above the psychological 2,000 area is the key, because we'll probably see more likely than not another potential sell-off. But has it finally stopped? Have we found some ground? And have we found some firm support? That's the most important thing for a lot of traders. So as always, we'll bring you all the latest fundamentals and technicals as they come. So stick with us, stay ahead, trade responsibly, and we'll speak again next time. Bye for now.